Okay, today we are going to configure and test basic IPv6 addressing. And firstly, I would request all of you before doing this lab, we need to know about what is IPv6 addressing, how to represent, how the difference between what is the difference between a link local, unique link local and global link local. So make sure you know how to represent and what is the difference between them. And so let's just start the basic IPv6 conversation. So for that, I'm writing the topic of lab. So the topic of lab is basic IPv6 configuration, basic sorry basic IPv6 configuration and testing testing. So for that, to configure the basic IPv6 on configuration, I would like to use one router of series 1841. So I just select the 1841 router and place on this white workspace as shown in this picture. So after that, I would like to use two switch of series 2960. Just select and drop these two switch as shown in this figure, and then go to the end devices. And for now I am using 4 PC to provide these PC IPv6 address. So these are my networking devices and end devices that we are going to make a topology, and then we configure IPv6. So for that, to make a physical connection, we need to go on a connection, and then we need to select copper straight through cable. As we have already understood that to make connection between like devices, we need to use crossover cable, and for the unlike devices, we need to use a copper straight through cable. So just select the copper straight through cable, and then I just single click on router icon, and you can show these two ports, fast ethernet 0/0 and fast ethernet 0/1. So firstly select fast ethernet 0/0 for the switch 0, and connect any port from 0/1 to 0/24. So for now I am connecting fast ethernet 0/1. And then again, we need to make connection between switch to PC. So I'm clicking on switch and selecting the fast ethernet 0/2, and then connecting to PC 0, fast ethernet 0. Then again from switch to PC using the fast ethernet 0/ port, and then again we need to make a connection between router 0 to switch 1. So we need to click on this icon and select the fast ethernet 0/1 port, and then make a connection from switch. For now I am using FA 0/1. Then again we need to make connection from switch to PC. So click on switch, and after clicking the switch, you can see the different ports. So just select any one port, any faster than 0/port. So for now I'm using faster than 0/2, and go to the PC to select the icon. Sorry, click on icon and then choose faster than 0. Then again go to switch and select the fast ethernet 0/3 port, and make connection with PC3 with fast ethernet 0/port. So we can see our topology is ready, physical topology is ready. Now we need to assign IPv6 address on FA00 and FA0/1. And after assigning the IPv6, we use a link local IP address, so that PC0, PC1, PC2 and PC3 will get IP automatically from the router. So for now I am using this IPv6 address 2001:DV8:cafe::A::1/64 as a gateway for FA0/0 interface. We can use any IPv6 address, but for now I'm using this IP address. And then again we need to mention what type of IP address we are going to use on FA0/1. So for that I'm using 2001 single colon DV8 colon cafe uh, colon B double colon 1/64 IP address. So these are my assumptions that we are going to make logical configuration from router to switch, and the PC will get automatically IP. Okay, now so let's go to the router so that we can give IPv6 address to all these interfaces. So just click, say, make single click on router 0, we'll see a pop-up windows. Then we need to go on a CLI command line interface, and after that, okay, make full screen. So they are asking us about would you like to do the initial configuration dialog. So I have already said that it is for the actually it is done for making username password, and for now we just skip that. So just write no and then make enable, and after that configure terminal to go in configuration mode. And for now we are using link local IP address so that all the host can get IP automatically. So just for the IPv6 address we need to mention firstly IPv6 unicast routing. This is the instruction so that it enables the IPv6 addressing. So IPv6 unicast routing, and then go to the interfaces that we are assuming to assign IP address. So it is interface FA 0 slash sorry interface FA interface FA 0 slash sorry interface FA 0/0 interface FA 0/0 yes, and then we need to mention the IPv6 link local IP address, and it is always FE@0 double colon 1 link local, sorry, link local FE F IPv6. Sorry, we need to mention the also this is the incomplement command. So the complete command is IPv6 address. We need to also mention the address, and then FE@0 double colon 1 link local. So this is the complete command. IPv6 address FE@0 IPv6 address FE@0 sorry link dash local. So we need to be careful about while typing the command. So this is done. No, so now we need to make no shutdown, then exit from this port, and now we need to go on interface FA0/1, and then we need to write the IPv6 address link local FE@0 double colon 1 link local, sorry link dash local. So and then we need to also write no shutdown to make manually off. So we have already assigned the link local IP address. Now we can verify it. So just make end command to back on a privilege mode, and now need to write IPv6 interface brief. So what we have done, we assigned FE@0 double colon 1 as a link local IP address. Now we need to assign these IP addresses. So now let's go to the configure terminal, and then the interface. We have a two interface FA0/ and 0/. So you can go on any interface. For now I am going to FA0/0, and the IP address we have assumed IPv6 address, and the IPv6 address is for now it is 2001 db cafe 1a. So 2001 db8 cafe a double colon 1 slash 64, and no shutdown. Now exit from this port and let's go to the port interface fa0/1, and for that we have already assumed the IP address as 2001 db cafe b. So 2001 db8 2001 db8 cafe cafe b double colon 1 slash 64, no shutdown, and just make also we would like to make a now we verify what we have done on router. So for that the command is show IPv6 interface brief. So these are the IPv6 address we assign on these fa0/0 and fa0/1. So we have already done basic configuration on router, and now we need to go on the host devices and then select IPv6 addressing, and we can see that they will get the automatically IP from the router. So router acts as also as a DHCP server. So let's go to PC0 desktop IP configuration, and then we can see automatic. So by clicking on automatic, we can observe that IPv6 address will be automatically assigned from the router. So we can see IPv6 request is successful. These are the IP address, link local, default gateway, default gateway. Let's go to the another PC1, and do the same procedure. Go to the desktop IP configuration and then select IPv6. So we can see, and again let's go to the LAN 2 PC2 desktop IP configuration automatic. We can see the IPv6 addressing, and then PC3 desktop IP configuration and automatic. So you can see these are the IP address that has been assigned to PC automatically. Now let's make a ping test from LAN 1 to LAN 2 from PC0 to PC3. So PC0, so let's go to the command prompt. Okay, command prompt, and the IP address of PC3 is 2001 db cafe. So let's write the ping command, ping 2001 db8 colon cafe colon b colon cafe b 2d0 colon baff colon fed0 colon 1e90. So we can see we are getting the reply from LAN 1 to LAN 2. So thus we have successfully configured basic IPv6 configuration on a router, and then the router it's also acts as a DHCP server because we use a link local IP address. Link local address is will provide the IPv6 address to the host in the absence of DHCP server, and also we do ping test from LAN 1 to LAN 2 and successfully get the results. So this was for IPv6, and in my next lab I will do DHCP v6 stateless and as well as stateful configuration. So thank you.